Yeah, just keep going with the height, I reckon. Give it a bit more height.
There she goes. Not bad. Flaps back on. We're going to save that. The rudder.
Even if you stuck it above those trees, brought it round, no powerful flaps, and then just let it glide in. And then you can bring it over again, you know?
Let's do a practice approach from here.
Just knock the power off.
Half flaps, no, full flaps.
Full flaps, just knock the power.
No power. Got plenty of lift.
Yeah, so you might even want to go around and come back.
Away from that fucking power.
Yeah, just cut the power now, bring it in, I reckon. If you're comfortable.
Yeah.
Full flaps.
I'm not landing. I'd rather come and land towards us into the wind because I'm going downwind right now. That's it. This is what I want. Come on, baby, slow down.
See? See how easy it is?